for the mathematics class, and today you will learn about count and write. You need to count and write the numbers. So here we have stars out here. So you have to count the stars 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 stars. So you need to write number 4 out here inside the box. So let's count with the pencils once again. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many pencils are here? Total it's 4 pencils. So here we have 4 stars. So we need to write 4 inside the box. Okay? So here we have how many birds? 1 and 2 birds. 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Okay, 2 pencils and here 2 birds. So we need to write 2 out here. Yes? So now here once again 1 and 2. So we have written 2 inside the box. Out here how many stars are there? 4. So count fast. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have written 4 number inside the box. Here is 1, 2. So 2 birds are there. So we have to write 2 here inside the box. Now here apples. How many apples are there? 1. Let's count. 1, 2 and 3 apples. So how many apples are there? 3 apples. So write 3 inside the box. So we'll count the pencils also out here. 3 pencils. 1, 2 and 3 pencils. Okay. Now here let's count the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll write 5 number here. Once again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have written 5 out here inside the box. So once again we'll count 5 pencils. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are how many pencils? There are 5 pencils. Okay. Now here how many balls are here? 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are how many balls? There are 8 balls. So we have to write 8 inside the box. So we'll count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 balls. Okay. So once again we'll count 8 pencils. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have 8 pencils here. Okay. And on the board we have 8 balls here. So now let's go down. So how many flowers are here? Count it along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 flowers. There are how many flowers? There are 6 flowers. Okay, so let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, now ready to count the pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are how many pencils? There are 6 pencils. Okay, so here we have already written 6 here. So count the flowers once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have 6 flowers here, and then here I have 6 pencils. Okay, now let's go down. How many ice creams are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Once again we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have how many ice creams? We have 9 ice creams. We have how many ice creams? 9 ice creams. So we'll count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have 9 pencils. So once again I'll repeat. So children, you have to count the pictures and then you have to write down the correct number inside the box. Okay. So how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to count the pictures and then you have to write their correct number inside the box. As we have out here, we have 4 stars. So we have written 4 inside the box. And here we have 2 birds out here. How many birds are there? There are 2 birds. Yes. So 2 birds are here and then we have to write 2 inside the box. Okay. Now here 3 apples. How many apples are there? 3 apples. So 1, 2 and 3. So we have written 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So how many pictures are here? 5. So we have to write 5 here. So now down here, how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 balls. So we have already written 8 inside the box. Now let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 flowers. So we have to write 6 here. Okay, so 6 is written already inside the box. Now let's count ice cream once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. So we have 9 ice creams out here. So we have already written 9 inside the box. So dear children, hope you understood the lesson. You have to, before doing the lesson, just see the video properly and then do it. Okay. So in count and write, you have to count the pictures and then you have to write down the numbers. Okay. So if there is 2, then you have to write down 2. Okay, if there is 2 objects, you have to write down 2. If there is 3, you have to write down 3. If there is 4, you have to write down 4. If there is 10, you have to write down 10. So, for a quick revision, I'll just count the pencil and I'll ask you a few questions. So, how many pencils I have? So, here I have 1. So, if there is 1 pencil, you have to write down 1 inside the box. Okay. Now, here number 2. Yes, I have 2 pencils. So, you have to write down 2 inside the box. Okay. Here 3 pencils. Okay. So, in this way, dear children, do the exercise properly and correctly. Okay. Children, we have already learned count and write. So now we'll do matching or match, okay, with the correct numbers. Here what you have to do is you have to count the pictures and then you have to match with the correct numbers. So let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 stars out here. Now let's see where is 4. So this is 9, 4. Yes. So you have to draw the line here, okay, and put the arrow. So we have 4 stars and then we have already drawn the line till 4. So now we'll count 1 and 2. There are 2 birds. Let's see where is 2, 9, 4, 6, 3 and 2. Yes. So we have to draw the line to 2 here. Okay. So here 1 and 2. So draw the line till 2. Now how many apples are there? 1, 2 and 3. Let's see where is 3. Yes, here. So now we'll draw the line. 3. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3. Now long one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes. So let's see where is 5. Yes, correct. Here. So from here you need to draw the line till 5. Here, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Where is 8? Yes, here. 8. So, here 8. Okay. Now, how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's see, where is 6? 6, 6, 6. Yes, here. So, from here we have to draw the line till 6. Okay. 6 flowers are there. Now, how many ice creams are there? Do you like ice creams? Yes, even I also like very much. So, let's count ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, let's see, where is 9? Yes, at the top. From here you draw the line and then do the arrow. So dear children, we have done match the numbers. First we have to count the pictures and we have to draw the line with the correct numbers. Okay, as we have already done, we have to count the pictures and then we have to draw the line with the correct number as we have already done. So let's do once again. We'll do the revision. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have drawn the line till 4. Okay. Now here 1 and 2 birds are there. From here, from this picture to this number, we have already drawn the line. So this is which number? This is 2. Here 1, 2 and 3 apples are there. So 3 is already here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 we have already done here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 ice creams are there. So we have already drawn till 9. So dear children, this is the way to match the numbers. You have to count the pictures properly and then you have to match the numbers. Okay.